Welcome! In today's video, we're going to learn how to unfollow someone on Discord using your Android device. Whether you need to tidy up your friends list or just want a break from certain users, I'll guide you through the updated steps. Let's jump right in. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, navigate to your friends list or find the person you want to unfollow. Next, tap and hold the contact you wish to remove. This action will bring up a few options related to that user. After that, tap on Profile to view their details. Now that you're on their profile page, look for the three dots in the top right corner. Tapping on those dots will open a menu with several options for you to choose from. Finally, select Remove Friend. A confirmation will pop up, and once you confirm, you've successfully unfollowed that person on Discord. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks related to Discord. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time chatting with your friends.